Page 141, we're going to do some fun stuff now. We're going to do cartoon animals, which is great, and they're actually surprisingly easy because you want to talk about simple shapes. Before you know it, you put some dots where some circles are and you get some big goofy eyes, and they're really fun to do. And they kind of all look the same, so you can build different animals with the same shapes, which is really cool. What's your favorite animal to draw?
A giraffe.
Okay, well, you can draw a giraffe with these. Now we're going to learn how to draw cartoon animals. Follow these steps to make a side view of almost any cartoon creature.